Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Kids Music. So today I want to just show you a little the sound I use on my lead line, the sound I use on my lead on the keyboard PSR E473 to show you the sound I use. In most of my videos, the sound I use sounds like this. It sounds like a lead, so I want to show you how I set the sound. So watch. God bless you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. So the first my voice jazz guitar. So I go to my function, go to my split point. I set my split point where I want it to be. Press enter. Press enter. Set it as 56 switches here. So turn on my split. Choice for my bars. So turn it off. After that, press enter again. The touch response should be at 1. Okay. Press my enter again. Go to my volume. Set the volume I want. I use the highest volume 127. So set my octave -1. Octave -1. Set my pan either left or right or center. So depending, because most of the times I use it at my right. Sometimes because I play lead and bass, so the right I play it for lead and the bass I play it at the sub for the speaker sometimes, but you can leave it at the center. You can still leave it at the center. Anyone is good, you can still leave it at the center. So I set my reverb. My reverb is at 30. My reverb is at 30, sorry. And set your chorus should remain 0. Yes, chorus should remain 0. Then attack should be at 65. Normally when you just click a sound, it shows 64. So just maybe add a little, just 1 or let me say 4 or 5, but maybe that's the range of 64 to 67. Let it be at that range. Then release I put it at 50. Normally it used to be 64. So I reduce it to 50. So it sounds something like that. So cutoff used to be 64. So I increase it now to 120. If it's at 64, it will sound like this. Let me put it back to 64. So I increase it back to 127. So leave it at 1. Then I set my D voice. Okay, my resolution, M resolution, I set it at 64 or 65. Anyone. Then for the D voice, I choose classic guitar. Set the volume I put it at 80, or let's put it 100. It sounds something like this. So it's too loud, so put it at 80. Octave -1, pan center, reverb, put it at 30, the same 30, almost the same settings with the main voice. Then chorus still remain at 0. Attack, put it at 50. Put the attack at 50. Put the release at 70. Okay. Then put the cutoff at 127. That is the full volume. So it sounds like this. So that's for the cutoff. For the resolution, let it just remain at that 64, which is the normal, and that's the center. So then for my bars, I use solo sign for my bars. Sounds like this. So that's the sound I use. Set my volume at 120. Set the octave -1. The pan center. Sometimes I use left. Reverb 8. Sometimes I put it at 0. Chorus, no chorus. So just like that. So back to. So that's for the sound. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share and like this video, and turn up